Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall CloudWatch agent from EC2 step by step clearly. To uninstall the CloudWatch agent from your EC2 instance, first, connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Once logged in, check which version of the CloudWatch agent is installed. You can do this by running the command sudo yum list installed grep Amazon CloudWatch agent for Amazon Linux or dpkgl grep Amazon CloudWatch. Next, stop the CloudWatch agent service to ensure it is not running during the uninstallation process. Use the command sudo system stop Amazon CloudWatch agent for Amazon Linux or sudo service Amazon CloudWatch agent stop for Ubuntu. Now, you can proceed to uninstall the agent. For Amazon Linux, run sudo yum remove Amazon CloudWatch agent. For Ubuntu, the command will be sudo apt-get remove Amazon CloudWatch agent. After that, confirm the uninstallation by checking the installed packages again. Rerun the command you used earlier to list the installed packages. Make sure that the CloudWatch agent no longer appears in the list. If the agent is still visible, you may need to clean up any residual configuration files. You can remove any remaining configuration files located in /op/aws/amazon CloudWatch agent /bin/config.json. Finally, to ensure that all changes are applied and there are no leftover components, reboot your EC2 instance. Use the command sudo reboot to complete the process. After the instance restarts, verify that the CloudWatch agent is no longer running. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.